Extended warranties are a really horrible set of mathematics, and the reason people sell them is because they make a bundle in commissions. On average, you'll pay about $1,500 on an extended warranty, and the average repair cost $180. I don't recommend buying extended warranties ever. If you can't afford a $200 repair on a car, then you can't afford the car. This from Dave Ramsey, personal finance expert and radio show host. Listen, 95% of new and used car shoppers ranked reliability high when choosing a car, according to a national survey conducted by Consumer Reports. Reliability is one thing, but they also want protection. Now, you could opt for a vehicle service contract, also known as an extended warranty, or you can just pay me directly because it's not worth diddly squat. I found a Consumer Report member survey that showed car owners typically paid more for the coverage than they got back in direct benefits. Not surprising, because extended warranties make a lot of money for those who sell extended warranties. So instead, our boy Dave Ramsey recommends that owners create an emergency fund for repairs that they can tap into when they need. And if that money isn't needed for repairs, it can go towards the purchase of a new car. What a novel idea. Now, if you don't want to purchase an extended warranty, remember that the price can be negotiated, just like the purchase price for the car. These extended warranties may reduce financial stress for those who own models from unreliable brands. I'll give you that. They're available through dealerships, auto clubs, and insurance companies. The plans can vary in length of time, what they cover, and of course the price. And the small print really matters here because aftermarket programs have specific limitations on what repairs are covered and where the work can be done. AAA offers a vehicle service contract that combines warranty protections with extra services such as battery repair, trip reimbursements, and rental car coverage. The National Auto Club told Consumer Reports that its warranty sales have been increasing, noting that about 30% of customers require at least one covered repair. General Motors, GM, launched a program a few years back that offered customers an extended warranty stretching bumper-to-bumper coverage to 5 years or 60,000 miles for Chevy and GM vehicles, and to 6 years or 70,000 miles for Buick and Cadillac customers. The regular new car warranties for those vehicles are for 3 to 4 years and 36,000 to 50,000 miles. The GM plans cost around $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the vehicle, and they can only be purchased with the new car. The cost can be rolled into financing, and the warranty is transferable, which could boost a car's resale value. From a pure member standpoint, the smart money is on skipping the protection and instead focusing on buying a model with better than average predicted reliability and then properly maintaining it. All right, I want to hear from you. Have you ever purchased an extended warranty? Did you ever use it? Did it offer you the peace of mind that you wanted? Are you glad you did? Glad you didn't? Do you have any stories to share on pushy salesmen trying to make you buy some? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have a video topic idea, jot that down as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dave Erickson. Hope to see you back here next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on everymandriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on everymandriver.com.